How to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to simply update your Instagram app first. So if your Instagram app is still not updated, then go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, simply open your Instagram app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then once you're in your profile, so let's try to archive a photo first. So this one. So if you want to archive a photo, simply choose that photo first and then click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then um, you may choose the archive button by clicking on edit right here. So click on archive button right here on the top. Click on archive and then wait for it to load. And as you can see, it has been archived or it has been hidden from your account. And now if you want to unarchive that Instagram post, just simply click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and then click on archive right here. And make sure to click on this button right here and choose the post archive instead of the stories archive or the live archive. Choose Post Archive, and then click on the um, archived photo that you want to unarchive. So, for example, this one. You may click on the three dots once again and click on Show on Profile right here on the bottommost part. So I think you may choose multiple posts if you want to by clicking on the three dots right here. So not so you may only um, unarchive photos or posts one by one. So you may also press and hold into that post and click on show on profile right here. So that's it. That's how you can archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.